Yep. Because I'm able to connect yung Garmin computer dito sa Insta360. Yeah, para yung stats pwede siya mag-appear sa video. So later, makikita natin yan post-production. And simultaneously, well, okay, the speed bumps. Ha. You see that? Anyway, simultaneously, as I was saying, I connected this DJI Mic 2 via Bluetooth, meaning I didn't use the transmitter. So baka kasi mahulog, nagbabike tayo. Yeah. So there's a separate gadget pa tools, so you can mount them dito sa X4. But this way, Bluetooth, habang nagbabike, at least malinaw pa rin yung boses ko, just like right now. So one of the best part about action cameras and wireless microphone and bike computers, they're so compatible right now. And meron mga third-party apps, pero pwede rin naman. Pero right now parang hindi mo na kailangan eh. Parang like last night when I was reviewing some videos from other people, some people suggest that I should buy the Insta360 remote. But there are other people who does the review on Garmin, and they said you could actually connect your Garmin computer directly to your Insta360 action cameras. Kahit anong camera, pwede. So merong procedure. All you have to do is connect your action camera to your Insta360 app. Once connected, do not turn it off, okay? Just start your ride, while your Garmin computers are recording your ride, all your stats, and then you start your video recording. It will synchronize post-production. Assuming let's say you got home, then you save na yung route mo, yung ride mo for the day. Then it will synchronize to your Garmin Connect. And then when you go to your Insta360 app, when you access your album, you click on the video that you recorded during the day, and then you click the stats. Okay, but before that, of course, by the way, you have to enable the GPS. Okay, you have to enable the GPS. Okay, from your app, and then give your Garmin account to access the Insta360 and vice versa. Okay, once you've done that, when you open your video which you recorded earlier, you'll see the stats feature. From there, pambata na, you'll figure it out. Just like this video I'm showing you. Pretty cool. So chill ride today. Just 22 kilometers an hour ride lang. Short ride. Well, so far short distance ride. Pero wow, lakas ng hangin. Anyway, enjoy your day. It's Monday, it's sunny, and the sky is blue. See ya! Yeah, 41. Speed bumps ahead. Sarap. Whew. That was nice. So, dito sa Dangarena, masarap mag sprint. Yeah, pero dangerous ka, may mga kotse, no? Yeah. On weekends, like I said earlier, ang daming tao dito. Mga nagpe-peloton, grabe, mahataw talaga. Tayo chill lang tayo, chill. Di ba? Woo! 20 kilometers. We finished like 40 siguro today or 35. Chill ride. Tawa na yun. Because we have to go back to work. Yeah.